Top 5 Causes of Frozen AC Coils and How to Fix Them. Picture this: sweltering heat outside, and your trusted AC isn't cooling. Frozen AC coils could be the culprit. Let's dive into the top 5 reasons these coils freeze up and unravel practical solutions to keep your HVAC running smoothly. Air filters are vital for maintaining airflow. But clogged filters restrict air passage, leading to coil freezing. Regular filter changes, every 30-90 days, can prevent this problem. Remember, if you have pets or experience heavy usage, replace them more often to maintain optimal air circulation. Accumulated dirt acts as insulation, making coils inefficient. This leads to freezing. Professional cleaning is the best way to ensure your coils remain clean and functional. DIY methods could harm your system, so trusted HVAC professionals are your safest bet. Furniture or debris can obstruct return vents, reducing airflow and causing coils to ice over. Make sure vents are clear for efficient air circulation. Sometimes, a simple rearrangement of your living space might be all it takes to resolve airflow issues. A malfunctioning thermostat might not signal the AC to turn off, especially as temperatures drop overnight. This constant cooling can freeze coils. Calibration or replacement of your thermostat can help maintain the correct indoor temperature, preserving coil health. Low refrigerant levels greatly impact AC efficiency, leading to ice buildup. Watch for oily residues or hissing sounds near coils, as these are leak indicators. Refrigerant issues necessitate a professional's touch for safe and effective resolution. Discover frozen coils? Your AC needs time to defrost. First, switch your thermostat from cool to off and allow the natural thawing process. For faster results, set the HVAC fan to on, pushing warm air over the frozen surface. Consistency is key. Regular checkups by HVAC professionals ensure issues like leaks or blockages are caught early. Planned maintenance like annual spring checks can save you from costly repairs and uncomfortable temperatures. Adopting these practices safeguards against frozen coils, leading to energy efficiency and prolonged appliance life. It also offers a more sustainable, cost-effective approach to cooling your home, reducing the need for emergency repairs. Don't let frozen coils leave you out in the heat. Take action now. Schedule a maintenance checkup with your trusted HVAC pro. Ensure your filters and vents are clear, and consider smart thermostats for constant comfort. Embrace these strategies for an uninterrupted frosty breeze all summer long.